I made this shirt a while ago and I'm just really not feeling it. So today I've decided to add a little bit more personality to it.
Hi, I'm Ravi, a self-taught fashion designer, learning as I go. Welcome back to my channel, Let's Get Sewing.
This is my decision. I don't think you listen.
We are going to be using patchwork to make this shirt much cooler, and I want my patchwork to be at the back of my t-shirt. So now I'm just marking around where exactly I want to put the patchwork at and how big I want it to be. So the idea I have for my shirt is to just stack a bunch of these scrap fabrics onto the back of my shirt in a square rectangle shape. That's how I want it to be like, and then probably add some details like stars or some fun little characters. And you can totally decide whatever you want to put on the back of your shirt. It can be a butterfly, it can be cherries, it can be apples. It can literally be anything that you like. And if you don't have a sewing machine, you can definitely do this project by hand sewing as well. Now that I have my desired base, I'm gonna pin everything down onto the shirt. Make sure you're only pinning the back of the shirt and not the front. For details, I feel like stars would fit perfectly into my design, and we're gonna cut out a few, and I do want to definitely have a pink star somewhere on this thing. I'm just going to be scattering the stars all over the piece, and I feel like this pink star right next to the pocket, that is such a cool detail. And mind you, that pocket is fully functional and we're gonna keep it that way. And I'm just gonna scatter the other stars all over the back of the shirt. To the machine! Okay, now we're gonna stitch everything in place. So make sure that you're only stitching on the back of your shirt and not the front. Now I'm going to be stitching each piece individually down to the shirt. So I'm going to definitely be lifting other pieces so that I stitch each and every one of them, like all the sides of the pieces, onto the shirt.
And when we're making love, your cries, they can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us. Everything I need between those lines. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it.
before it winds down into the memories. It's all just memories now.
Don't you love when I come around? Somebody to fill you up, then I take you down. Don't you love when I come around? Somebody to build you up, then I take.
So I've decided to add a little cutout detail because under this piece I know there's a black denim piece, and I just wanted to reveal more of the black since the piece has more blues than any other colors. Now we're gonna go ahead and add my fabric patch on the front of the t-shirt.
I absolutely loved how this shirt came out. Like, it is so gorgeous. Nothing more to say to it. It just elevated the shirt. But one thing I'll say, if you're gonna go ahead and do this, make sure that you're using a fabric that is not too heavier than the fabric of your shirt, because I am kind of feeling a little bit of weight on my back. It's not like something really noticeable, but if I had used like a lighter weight fabric, you totally not even feel it at all. But I think as I wash the shirt and I wear the shirt more, it will definitely like soften up a little bit more. But nonetheless, I love it. I love it. And if you'd like to know how I also made this little boxy oversized cropped shirt, you can watch this video next, and I'll see you guys in my next one.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it.